Good evening everybody, welcome back to another Chart Nerd TA video. Today we're going to be doing some technical analysis on Metahero. The ticker is Hero against USDT on the weekly time frame. Now I have covered this project multiple times in the past along with Everdome. And I think right now, potentially we do have some sort of retracement on our hands and we've run into a key level of resistance, potentially looking for some sort of pullback. I've noticed that in regards to these level of resistances here and these higher highs, and you've got this level of ascending support right now, potentially this is where we're looking to come back for support. I think Hero has to hold this and sort of confirm an upwards trend breakout, get back above this 20 EMA. Otherwise, potentially, I do think we're going to lose this support and head back down and start to work down towards these lows that we've come from in the past couple of months. So I think what we're looking for here, potentially, as I've said, is the retracement, this little pullback back to support on this trend line. And if this trend line can hold here and you do get relief and start to tackle above this weekly 20 and hold that as support, I think this is a bullish sign for Hero, okay, in the near short term. But at the same time, the actual pattern we're forming is some sort of rising channel where you're stuck between support, resistance, support, resistance, support. And you know, once you do either break, so if you break resistance, you confirm to go long, okay, and go long. And once we lose support, okay, you go short because you're losing this pattern and you're confirming it as the bearish pattern with the probability that the more likelihood is going to break down. Okay, with the combined facts, we're also running into the weekly 20 EMA, and we've been running into that for the past 4 to 5 weeks and actually failing to get above it. You can see these few weeks here have been very, very choppy, where you've been holding up and hitting your head on resistance basically, and the more you hit your head on resistance, the harder it is to break out. So right now, if we don't hold this level of support, I am looking for a short at least back down to this local low here, which was the second point of contact of support other than this point here. And again, if we do sort of lose this support, I think this area is the last area of support we could look to hold a higher low for Hero. Okay, and there's a bit of confluence here as well. So as I've said, we're looking to potentially retrace back down to this low if we lose support of this rising channel. So you're coiling up in this rising channel, lose this ascending support, okay, and fail to hold that. I think you're looking to retrace back down to where this low is here, and that sits at a current price, I think it's around 308 or something, 3159. And this ties up with something on the fibs here as well. So if we go from this local high, okay, which we've run into, retracing back to this low, you can see that this trend line of support, which I was saying, if we lose this ascending support here and we come down and lose that and hit our heads on it, potentially we're looking to retrace back down to this low, and that ties up exactly with the 0618 at 3103. So it wouldn't surprise me that we've had this wave 1 breakout and potentially we're coming in for a wave 2, looking to put in a higher low than this low here in the past. Okay, so overall what this would work out to be is you've got some sort of, this is a large wave 1. Right now we're having a corrective wave 2, back down to support on the 0618, back down to the retracing to this low. And if we can sort of bounce up and start to tackle out of this 0 fib here and this level of resistance that we're currently running into, it can confirm that you've got this larger sort of ascending triangle on our hands here, where you're coiling up. Literally, you've got a low, a higher low on the 0618 for support. Take out this high, you've got a massive ascending triangle where you're coiling up with higher lows, you've got a horizontal level of support, and once you break out, you're off to the races. Okay, so that's the bullish scenario. I think in the near short term, we do need to have some sort of pullback because we have had quite a nice relief off of this low here. You've come up quite impulsively, running into the weekly 20, looking back for support. I don't think is a bad shout on the golden ratio here at 3103. And if you can start to work up and tackle out of this 0 fib after that and get back above that weekly 20, hold support, higher low, ascending triangle over time, I think we're looking really bullish here into the next couple, maybe coming years, okay, for Hero. So again, a lot ahead of us. We have to get back above the weekly 20. We have to hold this 0618 if we lose this ascending support. And that is the update there for you guys today for Metahero. Again, if we lose this 0618 though, and do see really strong resistance off of this weekly 20, I do think potentially we are looking to retrace back down to the minimum of this low here, and we could have had a rejection, just a relief into the EMAs, and currently looking to continue the trend downwards. But we'll monitor that as we go along, guys. At the moment, we haven't lost support of this rising channel. If we do lose support, again, I've given you targets to look for support in the next retracement after that. And again, at this point, I do expect some sort of relief. So I hope you enjoyed the content today. If you did, please do like, comment, and subscribe. Hit that notification bell for more content next time. From Chart Nerd TA, take care, guys. Peace out.